Hi, I'm Derek with Elite 3 Pro. Today we're going to be installing these awesome Theory Audio design loudspeakers in this epic dedicated theater room. Theory Audio was founded in 2018 by Paul Hales, owner and founder of Pro Audio Technology. Theory makes a simple promise to deliver the best performance available in every product category they enter, and I can tell you Theory has more than lived up to that promise. Today, Theory makes sound bars, surface mount speakers, in-wall speakers, in-ceiling speakers, subwoofers, and regardless of which speaker you choose, you get the same insanely great performance. This Theory loudspeaker here is the IW25 in-wall speaker. It is very heavy, and it employs high efficiency, dual 5-inch high output carbon fiber low frequency drivers and 1.4-inch advanced polymer compression drivers for clean, clear, and highly resolved sound that fills even large residential and commercial spaces. These in-wall speakers, for example, can deliver a maximum output of 117 decibels, and they can operate at 4 ohm or 70 volt operation. Now, this in-wall speaker includes a nice perforated metal grille that can be painted to match any decor in your home. For this particular installation, we're actually going to be mounting these speakers behind these acoustical fabric panels here so that the speakers will disappear in the room while maximizing the room's acoustical performance. Part of the secret sauce to Theory's success is their highly acclaimed amplified loudspeaker controllers, which provides digital signal processing and power to these speakers effortlessly from within 1U chassis. All that's needed to calibrate this system is Theory's automator software and a tape measure. Installation is easy as Theory provides a handy cutout template. Simply identify the area on your wall where you would like your speakers to go. Use a stud finder to make sure there's no studs or electrical wiring in the way. Place your template on the wall and ensure that it's level. Use a pencil to trace the outline of your template and then a drywall saw to cut out the speaker hole. Place the speaker in the mounting location and you're ready to go. If you would like to hear these loudspeakers for yourself or make a purchase, contact us at Elite 3 Pro.